Hi, everybody. I was talking to a student about these final days and live pitch event or record your pitch on Zoom. And I just wanted to make sure that everybody felt like they knew exactly what was going on. So on Monday, May 17th, many of you have shared with me that you're probably not going to be here. No problem. We're going to work around it. For those of you that are here, we're going to have a practice pitch day. We will not have a live pitch event. And the reason why we're not going to have a live pitch event in your class is because there is only one group that shared that they would like to do that. So absolutely no problem, but we're just going to integrate them into the period 6 pitch contest. So what's going to happen on Monday, for those of you that are here, we're going to do a practice pitch event and help you out and make sure that you're all good to go with that. Then what will happen for you on Thursday is you will also have an opportunity in class to use that time to record your pitch on Flipgrid. Now that's going to be our students that just want to record the pitch on Flipgrid for a regular assignment. And we're also simultaneously going to be having a Shark Tank day. I know you guys are getting ready for prom. And then what's going to happen that following week is going to be your last week. What we've got on Monday, I think that's a Monday, May 24th, is a blended day. There will be no Zoom as always. And then you're welcome, no lesson for that blended day. We also have on Tuesday of that week, our end of year DECA picnic. We would love to have you join us. On Wednesday, we've got a human resources skit and a marshmallow tower activity. And then on Friday the 28th, your last day of this class, we've got a scavenger hunt and kickball and some breakfast items for you. And we hope you can join us on May 28th so we can really have a nice end of the year. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to me. But just a quick reminder for you, no one should be feeling any pressure over the weekend to record your pitch. You should be able to get that done in class on Monday, May 17th, or in class on Thursday, May 20th. And then lastly, if you don't get it done, you could probably finish that on May 24th when you actually have your blended day. So please make sure you're taking a look at that grade book. I want to make sure that everybody's squared away with all of their missing assignments and all that good stuff. Have a great weekend. See you later.